Click on the link below to see price. Top 10 Solar Generator. When it comes to choosing the best solar generator for home backup, RV, emergency, in-grid or off-grid, there are many things to consider. Since you are going to be using this generator every day, durability becomes a bigger concern. Keep watching to find out what you should look for when buying a solar generator. There are a number of benefits to using a solar generator. Listed below are some of them. Let's get into it. Number 10. Hisalis 3000 watts portable solar generator. The Hisalis MPS 4500 solar generator offers a lot of features for off-grid living. Its lithium battery and integrated MPPT charge controller make it a versatile piece of kit. The low-frequency inverter it uses delivers a higher peak performance, has higher surge tolerance, and operates at a cooler temperature. The unit is backed by a 5-year warranty, and it comes with free lifetime customer support, which makes it a no-brainer when it comes to off-grid living. The Hisalis MPS 4500 solar generator weighs around 120 pounds and can easily fit in the trunk of your car. This model is one of the most powerful all-in-one solar power systems available. Its power output can power a tiny house, RV, or small commercial setup. And it can even run your home's appliances. With such features, the Hisalis MPS 4500 is a great choice for off-grid living. Number 9. GoalZero Yeti 1500X Solar Generator. The GoalZero Yeti 1500X is a versatile portable solar generator, light but packed with the ability to power your devices including smartphones, laptops, fridges, and TVs. When paired with the Boulder 200 briefcase solar panel, this is the go-to solar generator for any power outage. The solar-powered generator harnesses enough energy to power your mobile base camp and offers a dependable solution for all your needs under the sun. Whether you're in a blackout or on the go, this portable generator powers whatever you need to keep things running smoothly. Number 8, Outage 1800 watts portable power station with 400W solar generator. With a durable 1488 watt-hours capacity and a powerful 1800 watts inverter, this Outage 1800 watts power station can power 99% of appliances, and its interior/exterior is upgraded designed to provide you with very little to no noise, and calm and string. Its ultra-safe LiFePO4 battery and premium BMS technology provide multiple protections for your Outage 1800 watts portable power station to keep the device safe, while protecting your devices while charging, making it a reliable backup power source that can last used for more than 10 years. Number 7, Pecron Solar Generator E2000 LFP. The Pecron E2000 LFP power station with the 1920 watt-hours expandable to 8064 watt-hours capacity 2000 wattage rated power surge 4000 watts, is a good backup battery used for home and outdoor activities, such as camping, tourism, fishing, emergency etc. The ultra-safe LiFePO4 battery with built-in BMS assure the self-protection of short-circuit, overload, and overheat. 110 volts pure sine wave inverter makes sure there is no damage to your sensitive electronic devices. Number 6, BLUETTI Solar Power Station EP500 Pro. The BLUETTI EP500 is a portable solar generator with a large battery capacity. The BLUETTI EP500 can be recharged via AC wall outlets or solar panels. The BLUETTI EP500 has a built-in MPPT controller to optimize the recharging efficiency of the solar panels. It uses lithium-ion batteries with a high power capacity and good longevity. They are designed to be durable and can last for 6 to 8 years. The compact design of the BLUETTI EP500 makes it suitable for a small off-grid cabin. It features several USB-A and USB-C outlets. It has full safety features including a battery management system, overvoltage protection, and heat protection. The touchscreen LCD lets you know the battery level, load information, and adapter charging. You can also use the BLUETTI EP500 as an auxiliary power source during events or construction. It is also useful when DIYing in areas without power, such as the wilderness. Number 5. Geneverse Solar Generator for Homes. Recharge from your car, AC outlet, or with the Solar Power One solar panel power generator. 30-second hassle-free setup, portable, lightweight foldable design with an adjustable kickstand. It takes 30 seconds or less to set up and is ready to provide eco-friendly power supply in any emergency situation. Each portable power station has 1,002 watt-hours, 278,400 mAh. Offers up to 7 days of power supply to your crucial devices and home appliances on a single charge. Number 4. Jackery Solar Generator 2000 Pro. This solar generator can be fully charged with 6 SolarSaga 200 watts solar panels in only 2.5 hours, and just 2 hours via AC wall outlet, and charged via carport. This fantastic charging experience allows you to charge away in no time while on the move and off the grid. At 2,160 watt-hours capacity, 2,200 watts AC power and 4,400 watts peak power, the Solar Generator 2000 Pro delivers the fastest solar recharging yet for Jackery. Powering all your imaginable appliances for outdoor and home emergency use, including pellet smokers, mini coolers, e-bikes, refrigerators, air conditioners and more. Number 3. Renogy 3500 watts portable power station 4800 watt-hours solar generator. The 4800 watt-hours power station Lycan with a rated output of 120 volts can easily power the most heavy-duty home and outdoor appliances with a continuous power output of 3500 watts and peak power of up to 7000 watts. This backup battery Lycan can be easily expanded to up to 19.2 kilowatt-hours, with Renogy 48 volts 50Ah LiFePO for smart lithium, covering most home applications from short-term blackouts to power independence. Number 2, ECOFLOW Delta Pro 10. 8 kWh/3600 watts portable power station solar generator, several easy way to charge, from EV station charging, solar, wall outlets, using the smart outdoor generator or via a car outlet. Combine methods to reach 6,500 watts, with an extra battery. Faster than any other solar generator. This battery power station sports an LFP battery. Gets 6,500 plus full cycles to last for years. Ideal for outdoor camping and travel. Number 1. BLUETTI Expandable Portable Power Station AC300 with 4B300 battery LiFePO 4 battery W6 huge 3000 watts AC output, solar generator for home backup, RV, emergency, in-grid, off-grid. BLUETTI AC300 is 100% modular and with a max of 4 times B300, 3072 watt-hours each. Battery modules enable the capacity up to 12,288 watt-hours, making it the first serious-size system on the market. With BLUETTI Advanced UPS Tech, the AC300 ensures that your devices can still be supplied with power when the power goes out, ideal for home backup use. If you're looking for a backup solution for your home, or you want to go off-grid, or you just want to go camping for the weekend but still want to have the convenience of charging your portable devices or using your small appliances, then any one of these solar generators will do the job. Click on the link below to see price.